So welcome everyone. Let's start with the info session, Skyward Community India. Thank you so much for joining us. And today date is 5th July 2025. And here we will discuss about the new updates regarding UST project, what we are supporting for all the co-owners who are actively participating in it and waiting for the good news. And then for the new partners, I will give you the presentation regarding what is the project, how you can you can take a participation in that, and how you can be a co-owner and have a very good assets in your hand. So I'm Parul Sharma, who are new here. I'm a speaker and the fifth top community manager at SWC India. Since 2021, I'm an active partner of SWC platform. If you want to have my contact number, it's 78920 51800. You can take a screenshot of that. And in any working hours, you can ask for any assistance regarding SWC and UST. So I will be always there to help you out. And you just need to reach out to me if you need any good deal, or if you have any query, if you have any question, if you want to have your bigger dream. So you can just ask me and I will be there to assist you. So this is the certification. The reason behind only is to tell you that if we tell that there are so many opportunities which are associated with SWC, it means that real. So I just started as a partner only, and now I am a community manager. So many opportunities are coming. Just be active at your part, how much participation you can give to SWC. And then you can be a good passive income also, and you can have a good responsibility you can taken care of on the behalf of SWC in your region. So she is Ms. Kat Jacobs. She is a top expert in a partner program of SWC, which is a higher ranking, and curator of India. If I define the word curator, it means that she is a responsible person who is responsible for all the regional events, all the updates, all the news on the behalf of SWC in India. So if hierarchy wise, there is a curator, then the community manager, and then our experts, leaders, master and partners, and we are whole team. So in her personal life, she is a leader. She has a leadership quality. She is a well-being and consciousness coach also, and a very good motivational speaker. And of course, my mentor also, who guided me to reach here and still guiding me to go further. So I will give you the details also of her, where you can directly reach to her also, or to our group channels, to our community channels. So the purpose of the event is to inform you of the opportunities, what we are offering, what is there with SWC, and how you can avail these offers. So as you know that no one leaves my meeting without a gift. So as you are participating, you are giving your precious time to us, then you will have a very good deal as a gift from our side, side to you, for giving your precious time for this info session and giving your activeness to the SWC and UST. So what is Skyward community? Let's understand that what is why we call it community, and what does it do, and what the benefits to get registered on that, and how you can avail the UST portions on the platform of Skyward community. So it is an international social venture ecosystem which offers support for exceptionally innovative environmental solutions. So we mainly focus on the greener countries and greener planet and the better place to live on it, and a very nice asset as a good nature and the environment to our next generation. So we have a three verticals. So we are on the three verticals, three foundations. First is fintech, which is related to finance, which is related to investment. Second, we have social tech community, where we are talking about the society, the community, the mindset of like-minded people to grow together, to have a good team, and all together. EdTech training is educational training, which is related to having a courses from the expert on our smart world community, which is a parallel entity of Skyward community only. It's not different from that, but its name is a smart world community. So in our groups, you must have seen many posts or articles related to smart world community. So don't get confused. It is a edtech, it is a part of a edtech of Skywall community. Like if you want to have a good public speaking courses and good access in any skill in which you are interested, like having a business, motivating your team, motivational courses. So you can have an expert on smart word community and you can join that. So it's had three elements and three vertical: fintech investment. People come here and do the investment for more greener planet with the ecological projects. Social tech, where we are talking about community, we are having a community of more than 6 lakh people in 180 countries who are speaking 25 languages. And edtech is related to getting better courses and enhancing your skills on smart world community. So when we talk about the fintech, so we this time we have a two grand projects, which is innovating funding instrument. First is UST, Unitsky String Technology, and it's one or more project, which is Utera, which is biohumus fertilizer, right? So the funding for the biohumus fertilizer has been closed, and I would like to congratulate all the co-owners who has invested and bought the packages and for it a lot the a lots of Utera. So it's going to be in his execution process, and many countries are bringing Utera to their countries. Like Mr. Fora is here and he's bringing it to Senegal. We are trying hard to bring it to India and to many other countries, like in Europe is also doing hard to get it. So we have Utera and UST, but the funding for the UST is still going on, and you have opportunity. I don't know for how long, but still you have a time. If you wake up, if you haven't made any investment for your future, I will not say for UST, for your future, please take a decision. It's the time only. If you need any help, if you need
हिंदी
answer,
में बोलिए,
yeah.
हिंदी में।
Sir, it's a English session. It's in a English language. For Hindi language, we will have on a 13th of July. I have explained it earlier. Sarah, can you please mute it?
Yes.
Thank you. Next, the advantages of venture capital investment. But sir, in the info session, you can ask the question in Hindi. I will be giving you the answer in Hindi also. So first is high potential profitability. What is the benefit if you do any investment through Skywell community? So first, you will have a high profitability because they search for the projects. They support the projects which will help the people more, give the more benefits to the co-owners. Second, participation in innovative projects like UST, Utera. Networking, you can have a big team, you can have a contacts with many people, and active uses of innovative funding instruments, and then opportunity to become a co-owner of large company in the future, like UST. It's a big company. And if we directly want to take a portion of that, we are not able to take it. So SWC is a medium, is a platform where we can go, we can register ourselves, and then we can buy it and we can own the portions of UST. So now we will talk about Alexei Sukhodev. He's a SWC co-founder, strategist, and the visionary. So according to him, in his one of the article, he has explained that environment now plays a special role in the future of the planet and the humanity. That's really true. Tesla's recent success are no coincidence after the investments of the big investor. We know a small investor, even a person who has bought a very minimum portions, he had the participation in the success of Tesla. So now you can see the opportunity of crowdfunding. It's not only the funding, it's also giving you a more and more return and making you the co-owners of such a big projects. So millions of people, and by no means of professional instrument funds, everybody was not expert in making the investment, so also made a success. At the same time, this must transport product surpassed all the expectations and become a hit, not only due to its eco-friendliness but also due to high-tech solutions. So why we are supporting USD? Because first of all, it is based on the eco-friendliness, and second, high-tech solution. These are the both two major things which we require as a change in the transportation era of today's generation. So now when we talk about social tech, where we are standing with the SWC, we have a community or a team of like-minded people who contribute to an eco-friendly future, who understand this concept, who wants to support it. Now we have more than 6 lakh people. We speak 24 languages and we live in a 180 countries. So that big is our community, and you can connect to any person. Everybody is open up to everyone, and you can, everyone is approachable, and you can reach out to anyone whom you think that he is a person who can support me or assist me to grow further. So educational, as I have explained earlier, it's an access of promoting promising professions, personalized approach in training, real life practice and job prospects, and training from the best speakers and coaches recognized by the world community. So on the Smart World Community platform, you will have experts, you will have best coaches where you can avail the courses and enhance your skills. And when you will have a certification, you can use that certificates to getting a better jobs in your country, because it's certified. If you get any or do any course here, and you will get a certificate of that, and you can go further and you can add the skills in your resume, and you can go have a better job. So this is my journey. I would like to give you the glimpse of my journey, how I have joined, and you can be one of that, and you can have a better place in SWC. I joined in 2021 as a co-owner through my husband. I have always been passionate about making a positive impact on the world. So I decided to become an active partner. And in the same year, I just met the curator of India, that's Miss Cat, who motivated me to make a bigger role. She motivated me to be a community manager. I did the course. I did make the presentation. I just cleared that, all the case studies, and then I got my position of community manager. And recently, I was honored to become the SWC ambassador for India also. So now what I do, I travel often, hosting both online and offline meetings, handling the social media of SWC. So when I give you the QR code or the links of SWC, it means they are the official channels. So the journey was not only improve my quality, but also the quality of my life, my family life, my life, and the financial status of me also. So I'm very grateful for this opportunity and excited to continue for making a positive impact in the society. So now we will talk about UST, the grant project what we are supporting. So UST is Unitsky String Technology. So I always make it very clear to everyone who come in my contact that SWC, Sky World Community, is a platform on which you own the portion of UST, Unitsky String Technology. So whenever you will have a reward, you will have a reward on the portions what you own for the Unitsky String Technology, not in the profit of SWC. So now your project is Unitsky String Technology. If you are making any research, don't make a research with the Skyway, because that's an old name. It has been rebranded in 2019. Now it's a Unitsky String Technology. Then only you will get the proper updates and the proper business status of UST. So it's a string transport offering innovative solution for passenger and the freight transportation in all the conditions. So first is speed and high capacity. We having a vehicles which is having a speed of up to 150 kilometer per hour to 50,000 pass per hour. It means that we can transport these many people in an hour up to 150 kilometer. That means in 1 hour we can complete the distance of 150 kilometer. Second, the major part which makes it usable for everyone, for the normal public, it's cost effectiveness and eco-friendliness, because it is more cheaper and more cleaner than other transport solution, because not we are on the road, on the land, so we are not making any pollution there. Not we are fully in the air like aeroplane or something, so we are not polluting the environment also. We are on the strings, right? So we are giving more space to the land and making our sky also more clear. Safety and reliability, this part, you just go to the ust.inc. That's a website of Unitsky String Technology. you check. If you want to go deeper with the technology, you check one by one the vehicle of USD. You will understand they will have they are uploaded the certification from the concerned authority of safety and reliability, and you will be amazed by looking into it that how safe we will be when we will be having a journey in USD vehicles. Versatility, because we can survive anywhere. We can survive in deserts, we can survive in Arctic region, we can survive in heat, cold, humid temperature, everywhere. So any country can approach USD to have this technology in their country. So there is no foundation of temperature or anything. The USD can survive anywhere. Now we will talk about the best foundation eco-friendly USD transport. How USD is helping, or when we say that it is an eco-friendly transportation, what are the reasons for that? First, we have a green focus because it does not release harmful substances into the air. I will tell you the asphalt is a major element which impact very negatively the environment and the nature. It's very harmful for everyone, for small kids, for senior citizens, for the youth, for everyone. And UST has done the best part is this, that they have alternative of asphalt, and they have deleted the 0% asphalt is used in making UST vehicles. Then low noise and the vibration, there will be no noise, no vibration, so it will not create any noise pollution also, and it will not bring any discomfort to the people. Then environmental preservation, you can see the picture, although it's an AI picture, but you can see that how much land we will have. We can use it for parks, for playgrounds, and the recreation area, because the transportation will be on string. This is a string, and this is a vehicle. So we use less steel, less concrete, and no asphalt is required. So it is much cheaper to implement in any country. So it will not cost you higher when you will buy whenever you will buy a tickets for having a travel in USD. So it will be more cheaper. No need to build expensive infrastructure. Only reasonable expenses will be there, because there will be only stations and two anchors we require and the strings, and it's ready to go. Low energy consumption for transportation compared to existing solution, because it's basically on technology. And if I give you the example of UST Karat, it's a vehicle which produce its own electricity. And not only that, that electricity could be used uh, in the nearby areas also. The nearby areas can also use that electricity. So it's not only giving the solution for transportation problems, but also the challenges of having a less electricity in many countries, because these are the major challenges which countries are having this time, many countries. So low cost of travel as well as shipping and the purchasing of goods. Safe USD transport, when we talk about the safety, it does not shake, does not stagger, does not swing. Human error is excluded because it basically 100% is on technology. We can survive anywhere in heat, in cold, and where earthquakes are there, floods are there, we can survive anywhere, and that is certified. You go to the website, then you can see more certification which will be proving right my words, what is written here, it's every single words is the correct. So which means movement will be smooth and comfortable. No one will fall asleep at the wheel. So there and won't get wet in the rain, because it's a safe. And also there will be very no minimum chances of having accident, even 0%, because the human error is almost excluded, and it's basically on the technology only. So you will not get any chance that your driver is sleeping and the incident or accident happen. So now the universal UST transport, where others cannot, we can. We have a passenger, freight, high-speed transportation. We have UST transport can be easily integrated with other types of transport. What does it mean? It means when we will have a small track, it will be integrated with other type of transport. Like if you, anytime if you have visited the Bangalore, I will give you the recent article also. You can read it on Google also. And The Bangalore airport is take approximately 2 hours to reach from the city to the airport. If you want to go Mumbai from Bangalore or Delhi, it will take you 2 hours in the flight and 2 hours on the road. So what the UST will do with the small tracks, it will integrate it with the airports, right? So from the city to the airport, it will take only 15 minutes, 20 minutes based on what distance is that. And then you can catch your flight and you can fly. So this is the integration with the types of transport. This can also be done. And it can be placed in urban environments and outside of them, and in mountains, desert, glacier zones, in everywhere. So two demonstration and the testing center we have, where if you have a big team for visiting there, you need to have minimum 50 people. You need to have an appointment 1 month prior. If you want to visit there with your team, you can let us know. You can give your dates and everything, and we can help you or guide you how you can get the appointment. So it will be better, always better to visit there with an appointment. But otherwise, they need to stop the work. Engineers are working there. Testing is going on of many vehicles. To show you, to demonstrate you of UST vehicles, they need to stop it. So that takes a lots of effort and the time also. So it's better to take appointment, go there and have a beautiful ride. So one we have in a Marina Gorka, which is in Belarus. We call it Eco Techno Park. Second, we have a U-Sky in Sharjah in UAE. I'm sorry to say, but many leaders still tell me what is the status of U-Sky. So I would like to make it very clear, the U-Sky is a name of testing and demonstration center in UAE. SWC is a platform where you own the portions of UST and you are a co-owner of UST portion. So always ask somebody, anybody or to me, that what is the position of UST technology, right? So USky is a name of a testing center, not a project. So now there are few updates. I will give you only highlights of that, and then you can go back to your back office. You will have a full article of that, or to our social media channels. You will get the full article and the full news on that, and then you can read it in details. And if you have any doubt or question in those channels, you can ask me. I will be the moderator there and the admin there. I will help you, and you have my number also. You can ask me, and then I will add you to our groups, WhatsApp group, and you will have all the updates on time. So first, UST transport system may come to Taiwan also. That's very good news for the co-owners. Here you can see the station 1, station 2, station 3. This is a blueprint, you can say. Then USky Center has successfully tested the Karat at the speed of 120 km per hour. So testing is always going on in the testing center and demonstration center. That's why I requested you, whenever you go there, go with the prior appointment, right? So the recent news, a very good news for the co-owners, that it has successfully tested and at a speed of 120 km per hour. It can cover 120 km distance in just 1 hour, and that's tested and proved and written in the website. Then state standards for freight and the passenger Unmobiles have been approved. UST representative office in Indonesia participated in the investor gathering forum. So many things are going on. Please be in the social media channels of company. The official channels, because then only you will get all the proper updates, or in the WhatsApp group also, Facebook, Instagram and Telegram. Be everywhere. Anytime you can open any social media channel and you can have a good news. So don't miss out anything. This is a time when you need to be waken up and very active on the platforms. Then UST expands cooperation with the university. And why it is so? Why they are doing the cooperation with university? Because the technology needs the new engineers, because they need to expert the engineers also to work upon the technology. It is also one positive point we can see. If the engineers are getting ready, it means many country is asking for this technology. This is why they need to have a more vehicles, they need to have a more engineers, and the workers and the staff and everyone. So they are cooperating with the university, maybe having a courses on it or anything, and the engineers are getting ready to work in the future. So the company is expanding, and that's a good point for co-owners. The key component of the USD energy supply system has successfully passed international certification. So string transport will help Nepal cope up with smoke and congestion. Why? Because Nepal has showed the green light to bring the uh, technology to their country. So Nepal is the one of the, I would say, a very active country who knows the value of USD, who admire it, and now they are welcoming it in their country. And SWTUV certificate has been obtained for an important element of the power supply unit of the UST complex. So this is the inspection report. Please visit ust.inc. You will have a more details on it, or SWC back office. You can read the full article. You can take a screenshot and then zoom in and then look into the report. And then if you have any question, you can reach out to us. And then SWC held a Michael Bang rally in the cities of Central Asia. This is going on with the marathon. And Michael Bang is a person who is very expert in business, in motivation, giving more motivation to the teams, making them working together, having a good business plan, and give you such a positive motivation that you will go further to have your teams, and you can have your business also, the successful business. Please, we always put it in our social media channel, and join him online also. And he's a very well good speaker. So one of the interview from Joseph Ellis is there, who is sharing his journey with my journey into the world of innovation began in 2016. And results of the conference held on 16 April, speech by a representative of GIT has been there in the SWC back office. You can go there and have a read, have a look on that. And new training is going on. Focus on attention. If somebody is interesting to enhance the skill, please let me know. I will tell you how to join that. And you will be added to the Telegram channel of this. And then you can have the online sessions and you can join it. And you will get the certification also for the training. The website of UST is ust.inc. You can go there, read about the vehicles, read about the company. Everything is there. The audit of the company is there. Now we will talk about Dr. Anatoly Edrovich Unitsky, who is the owner of this technology, who has given his 40 to 42 years to this technology, and still he's working hard to give us the reward and the regards also as a co-owner, and to supporting this project. And this is a time when we need to support more and more, because the time is short, and this is the only time when we can wake up and we can support this project. So he is the chief designer and the chairman of the board of directors of Unitsky String Technology. He has written more than 200 inventions, over 20 monograph he has written, and invention he is having more than 200. Over 200 scientific works he has done, and more than 40 international diplomas he is holding. So he's a genius. He has made this technology to make our life easier, not our life, but he's giving us a way also where we can make our future generations' life also more easier. He's on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. Please like his page, give him thanks, give him regards, because the good words always motivate each and every person, every human being to go further and do good for the society. He's doing already, but our good words can make him more motivate and make him happy. So why you need to choose SWC? I have given you many reasons. Now I am some of that SWC is the main assistant and support of the novice investors, what we provide. If you are new here, you will get the full support. Opportunity to support the largest innovative project, UST, Utera, many partners have done. And Utera, still there is a time for UST. Opportunity to influence the eco-friendly development of your country and the whole world. Opportunity to develop in the community of like-minded people. opportunity to increase your income and gain financial independence right now. How? Please write it in a chat or in a question and answer session. I will answer you in detail, or I will share you the link where I have explained everything, how you can have a better passive income with SWC. Through SWC, sorry. And if you are interested to join the community of like-minded people, the SWC, this is the QR code. You can scan it, or you can reach out to the person who bring you to in this meeting. You can go back and you can ask for the joining registration link. He will give you a link, then you can register. If you came here through the social media channels or through our invites, then you can reach out to me. I will give you the link also. And this is the QR code. Directly, you can register yourself. Your feedback is very important to us. And this is a QR code where you can give your feedback. Please take a screenshot and you can fill the form, which will give us the rating for the presentation, for the speaker, and whether we are giving you the right information which you want, what you want to listen more from our side. So feedback is always important because we are bringing everything for you to keep you updated, to keep you aligned with the SWC activities. So it's better to know more from your side. This is, you can find us on Telegram. These are the QR code. You can scan it and you can join our social media channels, or you can find on Telegram SWC India channel, and you will find the logo SWCHN Hindi. SWC India Facebook, and on Instagram, swc.in. So these three channels are the official channel of SWC, which will update you or give you all the authentic information. So it's important now, at least as a co-owner or a new partner also, to be there and show your strength and ask your question, show your activeness on the channel so you can reach out to each other or to me and you can have a good answer. So on the behalf of my top expert and curator of India, Ms. Kat, the Skyward community, we create the future and finance it. And on the behalf, from my side, community manager and speaker of India, you can reach out to us, india@skyway.capital. This is our email ID. You can write to us. And thank you so much. My contact number is 7892051800. And you can WhatsApp me if anything you want to know regarding the SWC or the project what we are supporting. Again, I thank you all for giving your precious time and be there live. And now we will have a question answer session. You can ask your question in Hindi and English, both the languages, and I will be happy to answer them. Thank you so much. Have a great night ahead, and take care of yourself, take care of your family. Bye-bye. Take care.